Hey everybody, this is Troy Trelevin from Make Sales Faster here today to talk to you about a brand new product just launching on the 4th of April. It's only going to be up for a few days, and I wanted to give you a review about this product. It's called Leadly. Leadly is the name, and today we're going to look at this breakthrough system, and it shows how to generate thousands of buyer leads using ethical marketing. It includes free and paid. This is a really complete program at driving leads, which we'll talk about. And today, not only am I going to share with you a little bit about this program, show you a little bit of the back end of it, but also if you hit these red buttons, so after the link to buy this product is at the bottom, and there's a bunch of bonuses that I want to talk to you about in just a few minutes. So what is Leadly? Leadly is a brand new product. It's out. It's very complete in terms of how it generates leads, got some unique pieces. What I really found in this, it has a ton of tools that take you step by step through all that you need to set up a business from the autoresponder to, if you choose webinars, if you go by Facebook, if you go by Google, any of the components are really well documented. So I'll show you that in just a little bit. And it starts at $11.95, so I recommend get this right away. The price goes up until a high point of $17, so get it as soon as you can at that price. And so let's look a little bit about the bonuses before I tell you about the product. So with Leadly, it shows you how to drive a ton of leads. You're going to get a tremendous amount of leads. What do you do with them, right? What do you do with those leads? So we're going to show you in bonus number 1 how to use Leadly to crush CPA, or cost per action, which is a really great way to promote all sorts of products, from dating to weight loss to insurance products. And when you can get the kind of leads that Leadly will show you, you push it towards these products, you can make a regular daily income in the hundreds of dollars a day just from CPA. You can look at affiliate marketing, which is probably, in my opinion, a little more profitable. This is the A to Z. So this is going to show you how to drive affiliate promotion. So as an affiliate, you can sell other people's products, and this course will show you step by step on how to set that up completely. To get that, by the way, all you do is hit this red bonus. You get all these bonuses I'm talking about. This one is a $10,000 a month online case study. So if you desire to make $10,000 a month or more, you definitely want to see this, because combining Leadly with this bonus is deadly. This bonus itself doesn't go as depth into some of the details around lead generation, and doesn't have some of the creative ideas that Leadly does. So you're going to want to see that. This one is how to find e-com products. So if you have a store like Shopify or one of the similar stores, how do you really find good leads? So this bonus will show you how to find the best products that are selling, so you can be cutting edge and maximize your volume of sales by finding the hottest products. So really neat hacks to do that. And finally, bonus 5, the vendor themselves has 11 plus amazing bonuses that you'll get in the members area. So this is a no-brainer for what, 11, starting at $11.95, even as much as $17. And let's look at what this includes. So in the basic program, let's say you start $11.95, you're going to get the whole system that shows you step by step on how to do this. So complete beginners, this is absolutely for you. It shows you how to do it. Upgrade 1, this is the do it for yourself edition. So these will be set up for you. The campaigns are set, they're given to you. You just put a few clicks, a bit of your own information, and you're good to go. The bonus page is completed for you. The graphics are done for you. The ad copy, which is one of the hardest things, writing good sales copy, the text, the videos are all done for you. So you're going to want that upgrade for as little as $17. Upgrade 2, this is advanced rating. This is a paid Facebook ads. So if you know how Facebook is still so predominant, one of the best places to put your ad money if you do it right. This shows you how to use this combined with affiliate marketing and using paid ads. Next one is unlimited traffic. So this is access to lists. So this is 2 million leads. You'll be able to get access to this list for $37 to $57. Get it sooner than later. Then license rates. If you want to just take this and sell this whole product yourself, you could do that. It's its own business in a box. You could drive the leads that you learn about how to drive. You could sell this program. And finally, if you wanted Sebastia's one-on-one coaching, $497. To get coaching from someone who's doing it is invaluable. So few people seek out coaching, but if you do it, you're probably knocking months and months off your learning curve, and you can start earning money faster. So those are the reasons that you'd want to do this. If you've tried things in the past and they didn't work, Leadly would be for you. It's step by step, right? If you're finding you're working a lot of hours and not getting a great return, this is going to refine the time to minutes versus hours and days, right? You've probably bought other courses before, or if not, but if you have, they always promise you something big. This one delivers. It's got the nuts and bolts. It's not one of those hype courses that has one great idea and the rest is fluff. This is all nuts and bolts on how to do it. And you'll start getting paid quicker. And if you want to take advantage of the even paid ads ideas, he shows you ways that you can get access to paid ads without any money up front. So that's kind of cool. So to get this course and all these bonuses for as little as $11.95, you just click the link at the bottom of this YouTube video, and you'll go to this page and click these red buttons, and you'll get access to all these bonuses, and they'll be delivered to you right away. So let's look at the back end here. Just a quick show you what's in the members area here. There's 5 modules. Every module breaks it down as to this one, quantity versus quality leads, talking about funnels, which is a critical part of this. A lot of people lose their patience around the funnel part. He takes you through how to do it, all the tools you'll need, all the tools for tracking, creative ways to get people to get your leads, even the power of webinars, which is very big, especially if you're selling moderate to big ticket items. Webinar is the way to sell these. And there's how to create your own courses. Shows you how to use the platform, how to use PDFs, etc. So there's lots and lots of great stuff in here. So go to Troy's Terrific Bonus Bundle, get this, just the links in the bottom here in the description under the YouTube video. Once you get to this page, just click on these red buttons, and you will then be asked to purchase, and then you'll go right through to oh, by the way, if you want to go through the main sales page, you'll have access to that as well through this page, and clicking those buttons. So look forward to seeing you on the other side, and drop any comments you have, subscribe to my channel, and like this video. We really appreciate the likes. So thanks, and best of luck with this program.